Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are going to discuss receiving data, showing very good statistics here. The amount of which we have received. First, I would like to inform you about all departments have been showed here. There are two categories: stock items, non-stock items. Departments: engineering, food, and general. We have already discussed these departments in previous purchasing dashboards. In food, total prices received by food department 66,614 million, general department 240 million, engineering department 231 million. Total receivings 1083.85 million of some amount. Now here are slicers, graphs. Graphs are showing supplier names and these are the amount in millions. Like SNN, we have received 96 million amount of items from him. From KNS Foods, he provides chickens. We have received 66 million amounts of items from him. Then Imran Brothers, AN Traders, and so on. Okay. Receiving item wise, in Marquee, we have received 27 million amount of item, beef fillet, goat leg. Okay. Now pie chart showing us engineering receiving 21%, 231 million is the amount. General department 22%. Receivings have been done by stores and departments 240 million, 22%. And food department 614 million, 57%. On higher side, food department is okay. Now the beauty, if I click on engineering, all the data I am getting only related to engineering. In the whole year 2024, I have received items amounting rupees 231 million. Okay, 230.67 million. Okay, here round off have been done. Okay, engineering 100%. Okay, now if I click on stock, the items which we keep in our stores belongs to engineering departments. We have received sum of 116.60, around 117 million. In engineering, from United, these are the vendors. United, we have received 27 millions. Kumel 8 million amount of item have been received. ASN 6 million. Here item wise, these are supplier wise, these are items. Marquee 27 million, fumigation work 5 million. These we are talking about stock items. If I re-click on stock, I have done it normal. Now this is the pie chart, I have made it normal. Now I would like to show you a magic. All departments slicers are here. If I click on stewarding, this is the beauty of Power BI, showing me only data belongs to stewarding. In stewarding, in general department, I have received 51 million amount of items. Engineering 14 million, food PCHK 4 million. Okay, these are the suppliers. Topper size AS Enterprises. In stewarding department in hotel 2024, in stewarding department AS Enterprises, we have received 14.2 million amount of items from him. Okay, higher side I can make it focus. These are the items. Okay, show plate 31 cm. Okay, this is the highest item of stewarding. I have purchased whole year 4.5 million. Ice cube 4.3 millions. Ice cubes, you can amazing. Our ice machine is what should I say, 4.3 million ice cubes in the whole year I have procured and received 4.3 million is amount. Teacups 3.3 million. What I would like to tell you that we can select the item that in stewarding teacups 3.3 millions is a huge consumption of items. So I can do some science. I can make some science. I can make some science, and however, I can reduce the consumption of my teacups. Maybe teacups are being broken. Teacups, there is mishandling doing with teacups. Okay, so there is now, this is the reason we are getting 3.3 million amount of teacups. GN inserts 3.1 million. Then dinner plates 3 millions amount of dinner plates. Bowl 1.7 million, chefing dishes 1.7 million, heating induction 1.6 millions. You can see all the items: zero point 0.5 million, zero point 0.4 million, salad bowls 4.4 million. Amount of salad bowls I have procured and received. Platters squares 0.3 million. Here is a list of amount. I can see these items. I can make some science. I can review these items. I can save some money for my industry, for my company, by watching these, by guessing these, that these are the items having high consumptions. Desert spoons, zero point 0.9 millions amount of desert spoons I have procured. Okay, only. So now I go back to the report. Here are the estimating departments. You can see in food department 6%, engineering 21%, general 73%, 51 million. Stewarding department 51 million, 21 million. These are the total receiving 69.88 million amount we have received. Okay, stock items, if I talk about 37 million for stock items. Non-stock I click 32 million non-stock items. Stewarding is dealing with 32 million non-stock items. General departments, you can see. Okay, now moving forward, if I click on engineering R&M, okay, 111.16 million. Engineering 106, you can see. This is the repair and maintenance. Food in food 0%, general 4%, engineering 96%. These are the vendors dealing in engineering R&M. These are the articles, items dealings in plumbing, diesel, installation work 3.7 million, maintenance works 2.1 million, kitchens, operators. If I go on focus mode, I can see main board for, what is this? Main board for induction range part 7 lakh 90,000. This is the article I have procured. Head leaf, if I go, head valve for 5 lakh 28,000. Item wise I can see in engineering R&M I have received very good report, very nice report. Now I make it by clicking here. I make it normal. So here are the departments. If I click on F&B, oh my 106.41 million. F&B departments. In food 98 million, general consumption 8 million. Here are the best vendors, highest vendors 31 million. Imran Brothers, Wakar Ahmed, Neo Bosia. Imran Brothers provides vegetables, fruits, and these are the highest consuming items. Milk Fresh, 11.7 million of milk only we have procured. In F&B departments, 4.2 million, 3.6 million. Very good. Now I declick, make it normal. If I click on finance, only 0.3 million amount has been. Human resource 11 million they have spent in the whole year 2024. Oh, housekeeping, how can I forget housekeeping? 86 million. Okay, 86 million. 1083 million out of 1083 million, 86 million spent on housekeeping. Engineering 45 million, general, and general 48% is the ratio, engineering 52%, housekeeping spendings, housekeeping top vendors, housekeeping top amounts: marquee, fumigation, carpet, resin, bed sheet, services, staff uniform, We have spent 2 million around below cover 17 lakh 87,500 million, 1 lakhs 1.7 million, you can say. Okay, bed sheets 70 lakh 60,000 is the amount. Rental charges of glass 16 lakh 80,000. Oh my god. So now you might be getting boring. This is the receiving dashboard. Hope you find it good. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.